Hi everyone, my name is Jenna Thompson and I am the president of Recipe Club. I am coming to you from my selfie stick that I found. I thought it'd be perfect for this video. So my club recently started last year. It's a very new club. Before Corona, we were only running about 2 months, so we still got a lot to learn, but typically in the club, what we do is we go over different recipes that we want to try. So we sit down in a little meeting, talk about foods that we'd really like to try to make, and then we take it into the kitchen a couple weeks later with all of the ingredients and actually make this food. But this gives us the opportunity to be creative, to make things that maybe we haven't been able to before in kitchens. And you can experiment without fear of failure, because you have all the opportunity to be as creative as you want without getting a grade at the end. So you don't have to be afraid of messing up. That's my favorite part of the club, being able to be creative and cook what I want when I want. Everybody puts their ideas in. We all have a really good time doing it. We listen to music, we cook, we make some amazing food. And an example is the last thing Recipe Club made was we actually made bao bun ice cream. So we made Thai curry ice cream and we froze it in little balls and we wrapped homemade bao buns around it and deep fried it. So it was like really soft and squishy on the outside and the inside was like savory and it tasted like ice cream. It was really delicious. So that's a little bit about Recipe Club. I would love to hear more from you if you have any questions. I'm sure Dr. JJ will give you my email and I hope to see you there. Thank you.